We have replaced Israel. The church has replaced Israel. It's right there. They just said, we have no king but Caesar, therefore the church has now replaced the Jewish nation. What are you doing, Alex? I don't agree with you, Jim, or probably a lot of people. A lot of people subscribe to replacement theology, that because the Jews did this, they are not God's people anymore, and that the church today is the new Israel. I don't think that's true. I think if you read the Bible in its totality, look at all the prophetic books, look at the book of Revelation, and you believe in this fancy word here, that you will realize that God is not done with Israel. He is not done with his people. And his people are still going to play a big part in end times events. And the church has not replaced Israel. We are in the age of grace. We are in this church age. Thank God we have had how he has been so merciful to us. But the Jewish clock is about to resume. As he says here, 2,000 years. The Jewish clock, it's been shut down for a while. But he's not done with his people. They are his people, and they will be redeemed, and they will proclaim that Jesus Christ is Lord. It's going to take a lot to get them to that point. They're still in disobedience today. But one day, could be pretty soon, they're going to realize their mistake, okay? So, if we have replaced Israel, then none of the end times prophecy makes any sense, really. Basically, you're going against the Bible when you replace Israel, I think. I know, call me a crazy weirdo, but that's what I think. But